In this lesson, we'll look at multiplication arrays. Let's think about 5 groups of 3 bears. So 3 bears firstly, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to have 5 groups of them. Well, there's 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups, 5 groups. So we've got 5 groups of 3 bears. Now let's count them all together. We have 3 so far. Another 3 makes 6. Another 3 makes 9. Another 3 makes 12. Another 3 makes 15. So 5 groups of 3 bears total 15 bears. Now that's a sentence. We can write that as a number sentence as well. 5 groups of 3 we can write as 5 times 3. The total is 15. We can write that it equals 15. 5 times 3 equals 15. Okay, that's a number sentence. Now, what about 3 groups of 5 bears? So we've got 5 bears this time in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this time 3 groups. So there's our first group, our second group, our third group. Okay, we have 3 groups. Let's count them again, this time in 5s. 5, 10, 15. So we can say that 3 groups of 5 bears total 15 bears. And writing that in a number sentence, 3 groups of 5, 3 times 5, the total is 15, we can write that it equals 15. So we have 3 times 5 equals 15. Now let's consider what we've seen. 5 groups of 3 bears. We had 15. Then we looked at 3 groups of 5 bears. We also got 15. 5 groups of 3 bears is 5 times 3, or, as we know, 5 lots of 3, and it equals 15. 3 groups of 5 bears, we can write 3 times 5, which of course means 3 lots of 5. Again, that equals 15 as well. So look at that, 5 times 3 equals 15, 3 times 5 equals 15. It doesn't seem to matter what order we multiply in, and it doesn't. Okay, doesn't matter what order we multiply 2 numbers in, we'll get the same answer. Very important to remember that. Examples. Use arrays or diagrams to help you find, in part A, 3 times 4. Now 3 times 4 means 3 groups of 4, okay, 3 lots of 4. So let's think of 4 monkeys. 1, 2, 3, 4 monkeys there. That's our 1 group. We want 3 groups, okay, so we've got 1 group, a second group, and a third group. We now have 3 groups. Let's count them. We've got 4. Another 4 makes 8. Another 4 makes 12. So we can say that 12 is our answer there. So 3 times 4, 3 lots of 4 equals 12. Great. Part B, 7 times 5. Okay, 7 lots of 5. We can think of that as being 7 groups of 5. Now, a group of 5, what about 5 puppy dogs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very cute, aren't they? So that's our 1 group. We want 7 groups. So we've got 1 group there, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups, 5 groups, 6 groups, finally 7 groups. Let's count them in 5s. We've got 5 there. Another 5 makes 10. Another 5 is 15. Another 5 makes 20. Another 5 is 25. Another 5 is 30. One more 5 would make 35. So we can say 35 is our answer there. So 7 times 5, or 7 lots of 5, equals 35. Terrific. Part C, 9 times 10. Or another way of saying that is 9 lots of 10. 9 lots of 10, same as 9 groups of 10. So let's think of 10. We'll use 10 little cubes this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's our one group. We want 9 groups. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We've got 9 groups of 10 there. Let's count them. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So 90 is our answer. 9 times 10, or 9 lots of 10, equals 90. Excellent. Well, that concludes the lesson. Good luck with your questions.